Are you new to SEO and want to rank number 1 on Google this year or this coming year, or anytime you want to rank number 1 on Google? Here are 3 tips that will boost your rankings. Like a wise man once says, the best place to hide a dead body is at the second page of Google. So if you're ranking at the first page of Google, you have lesser chance to get clicks to your website, because most people always spend time on the first page of Google, which is just the first 3 websites they see on top on Google. So if you're in the first 3 websites that are ranking on your niche, on your kind of business you do, you have lesser chance to get clicks through your website. Hello, my name is Abogonye. I'm an Intel and a web designer with the Creatify team. I'm an SEO specialist as well with the Creatify team. So if you like content like this, I urge you to click to the subscribe button and the notification icon to get notified whenever we post a video here on this channel. So here are the 3 tips that I'll be sharing with you. So just stay tuned and learn these 3 powerful SEO tips that will help your rankings boost on search engines. The number 1 tip I'm sharing is focus on content. Focus on content. You know, Google has this update called Hummingbird, and with Hummingbird, websites that focus on content and not super thorough won't do as well as websites that focus on content and super thorough in one niche. So if you want to be super thorough, all you just need to do is to poke holes in your content and fill them all up with keywords. Like for instance, an example, if I'm a real estate agency, if I'm a real estate company and I'm doing real estate, all I just need to do is to poke holes like 20 places and fill them all up with the real estate agency company that I want to be ranking for in my particular geographical location. So if you want to be ranking, you just need to fill those holes in a way that it will be readable and it will be appealing, so it won't get boring for people that are coming to the website to check on that article or whatever you post on the channel. So the number 2 tips is optimize your meta tag and your title description. Do you know what a meta tag is? Have you ever done a search on Google and you see a sentence on a topic on top and a sentence below? The one on top, which is always in form of blue, is called the meta tag. The sentence with the little text is called the title description. So if you put your keywords that you want to be ranking for in your meta tag, you are likely to get to the top on search engines. Because why? Google is tracking on words listing. So if the words listed on the search engine and you have it already in your meta tag, all Google just needs to do is just to pick that particular meta tag to the first page, and which the meta tag is in your website, and the people are likely going to click through. If you optimize your meta tag and your title description, which your title description is also going to be having the keywords in it as well. The number 3 tips I'll be sharing is, do you know Google actually give a tool that will help your website boost on search engines? I know you won't believe that, but this tool is called the Google Search Console. There are so many tools, tons of tools like WhoRank, Ubersuggest, and so on and so forth. But with the Google Search Console will show you the traffic you're getting on your website, the articles that are getting impressions, the clicks, and the click-through rates on your website, and so many that the Google Search Console will be showing you. So if you use the Google Search Console, you can even use the Google Search Console tool to know the articles that are getting competition in your particular geographical area. So you will know the kind of article, the kind of key phrase you will optimize for. So if you're optimizing for phrases like real estate in Abuja, all you just need to do is to check your Google Search Console tool, check your countryside, where you want to be ranking for, and check the rate of people that are ranking on that key words. So with the Ubersuggest, the WhoRank, and the Google Search Console tool, with these 3 which is the number 3 that I've just shared, with these 3 tools, you can easily get your website on the search engine. So I challenge you today to go use these tips that I've shared with you to rank your website on the search engine. And as you know, sharing is caring, so share to loved ones. So if you like content like this, I urge you to click to the subscribe button and the notification icon to get notified whenever we post a video here on this channel. See you next time. Bye.